Guys, we got some bad news. As you can tell by the title of this video, this wrap is in, I wouldn't say it's completely ruined, but it's actually in pretty rough shape. And I didn't realize how bad it actually was until I got up close. But like, sorry, this thing's super dirty. But if you see like the little, I don't know if you guys can see it on there, the little white spots. Some of them come off, some of them won't come off though. Like right, see, you guys can see it. There's little white spots, and what it is paint from the roads when they're redoing the lines on the roads and the highways. And I know exactly when I got it, and I didn't really think much of it because I didn't really even notice it when it happened. I noticed it like a couple weeks ago, 3 weeks ago or so, and I just figured it would come off pretty easily. But there's spots that won't come off at all, like right there. I mean, you can't really buff it and use like harsh chemicals on this because it's a wrap. So I don't know what to do. It looks pretty horrible. Once the truck is completely clean, you can see them a lot better. Not a huge deal, of course, but not only did it get on the truck and basically this whole side, I don't think it's on the other side. Let me go look. It might be though. I mean, there's definitely white spots on here, but they don't look to be the same. Yeah, they're not the same over here. It's not bad. But what I did notice, and this sucks also, is the Maverick has a lot of it on there as well. And super hard to get off. See, you can see them all, this will focus. You can see it all over the windshield here. And like, some of them will come off. But like, look how hard it is to get it off. This thing scratches so easy, so you can't really do much. You almost gotta leave it. And you got it up here on the light bar, of course, all over the roll bar, some on the door here, all up under here. That was from whenever I was trailering it back home from Michigan. There's some right, no, that's not it. That was from when I was trailering it back home from Michigan. And like I said, I didn't think anything of it, but I don't really know how I'm gonna get it off other than the fact that I'm gonna have to just redo the whole side of the truck or work all day on trying to chip it off, which you can only do so much without completely ruining it. So definitely sucks, but if you guys have any ideas on how to get that stuff off, let me know in the comments. I can't use too harsh of chemicals because, like I said, it is a wrap. It is not paint. The Augusta truck meet, the truck will be, of course, super clean. And I'm really, really excited for that event. It's coming up, and is it about 3 weeks? Yeah, about 3 weeks or so. So I'm excited to see all you guys. There's a lot of people that are going. We still have the VIP stuff available, so definitely DM Augusta Truck Meet to get yourself entered for that. We're giving away quite a bit of stuff, and it's gonna be a fun time. I'm excited to meet everyone and hang out, talk trucks, do all that stuff. But of course my truck will be there. I might have the new truck on the channel though. I've made up my mind on what I'm getting as far as the focal point of the next diesel build, and I'll be releasing that very shortly. Some of you guys may not expect it, some of you guys may expect it, but I'm pretty much dead set on what I'm getting. So I won't tell you guys just yet. Any little tricks to get this stuff out or any ideas, please let me know in the comments. Or maybe I'll have to get a whole new wrap. I don't want to have to do that right now because this thing, it's one of my favorite wrap colors. Some people like it, some people don't, but I love it. I guess that's all that matters. A lot of people were asking me what color, what paint code this is. It's not a paint code, it is a wrap. It's called Gloss Dark Gray. It's an Avery Dennison wrap material. A lot of you guys were wondering where the off-roading videos and the Corvette videos are and all that. Yeah, this hurricane completely screwed up all the plans I had for the channel over the last month. I wanted to do a lot of off-roading. I wanted to do a lot of Corvette stuff and that kind of stuff. But we had that Cat 5 hurricane hit us, and off-roading was not really a big priority, you know, helping people, getting the area, helping, doing the best I can to help. That was more the priority. So that is why the off-roading videos have not been uploaded, and I haven't even been able to do it. But they are coming back, guys, I promise. I know that's your favorite. That's what gets the most views on the channel. We are gonna be going back to that stuff. There's been horrible debris all over the roads, so the Corvette, can only use the Corvette so much. And I got big trees down in roads and sticks and all that, and that does not mix well with the Corvette. But my best, guys, to keep these videos not boring. I know it's not action-packed stuff right now, and I've been saying that, and I am very sorry, but it's just been a rough month for basically all of Northwest Florida. So I promise I will be back to normal stuff. You guys wanted me to do daily vlogs, as far as like everyday vlogs, and try to go daily. I can give that a shot, guys. I just don't want it to be boring. I don't want it to get like really bland and me just talking every day. I know you guys don't want to see just me talking. I know you guys want to see action, and I agree. Every day, it's going to be hard to do that every day. I don't have that kind of time to do that kind of stuff, off-roading and stuff like that. Let me know in the comments what kind of stuff you guys want to see from this channel. I have a lot of toys, I guess you could say, and at times it's hard to juggle all of them and add them into the channel. So I have a lot of people that like just Duramax stuff on this channel that are subscribed, and I have a lot of people that like Corvette stuff that don't like Duramax stuff. And then I have people that like side-by-side stuff and fishing and that kind of stuff. So it's hard to juggle everything and keep everyone happy, so I'm doing my best. What kind of content do you guys want me to put out? That's my goal, is to put out the best content possible. I appreciate you guys' support. As always, it means the world to me that you guys keep watching my videos. Even though a lot of you guys still aren't getting notified. It's kind of crazy because the previous, not the last 2 videos, but the couple or 3 videos before that were getting 6 to 10,000 views, and then the last 2 are like, the last video is struggling to hit even 1.5 thousand views. So YouTube is being super inconsistent, and it's very unfortunate because a lot of people follow this channel or subscribe to this channel for Duramax stuff. My last video was Duramax related, and still no one's watching it. So alright, so I'm doing my best to not sound super repetitive. I know I repeat a lot of stuff throughout a lot of my videos, but December 1st, Augusta, Georgia, Tim's Harley Davidson is the truck meet. Me and JW Montoya are basically hosting it, and it's for a good cause. So we want to see all you guys out there. We're doing VIP parking. It's 25 bucks to park kind of with me and JW along that, and you also get entered for raffles and all that. So it's not just, we're not banking, keeping money. All the money that we make is going 100% to John's family. If you don't know who John is, it's a family member of JW's, and he passed away around a month or so ago. And so that's a very sad situation, but it's for a good cause. We want to see all you guys, meet everyone, talk about trucks. You know, we'll be vlogging the day before also. I think I'm going to be going a couple days early to Augusta to be hanging out with JW and doing some videos and that kind of stuff. So it's going to be a really fun time, guys. I hope to see most of you guys out there. I don't know if we can fit 20-something thousand people, but it's going to be a fun time. It really will be. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the support throughout this last year or so of YouTube. I know it's kind of been up and down. It's family issues and you know, natural disasters and stuff like that. But I do appreciate all you guys sticking around. It means a lot of all the support you guys have given this channel, and I'm doing my best to give it back to you guys. That's why I want to do all these giveaways. So thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. And make sure to give this video a like. I'm trying to get more likes on every video. Maybe it'll help the algorithm, even though it hasn't been at all. It's almost been making it worse. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.